On one job site I met guys who glued wood very fast without nails. I was so excited. Watch how to.
You put it on here like bam, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you spray this one.
Another side?
With that one, right?
Uh-huh.
Now as soon as they touch, but then you can't move it around, right? So boom, there. Now that's already hard as rock.
Already? Really?
But you can't move it. Oh, yeah, but
how long it take to dry?
Hmm?
How long it take to dry?
No, it dries right away. That was almost rock hard there, but we just kind of moved it a little bit too soon.
So you mean
10
like
seconds.
like 5 minutes enough for 10 seconds?
Yeah, read again. It says 10 seconds. Boom, boom, done. It's just such a big piece. It's wet.
Yeah.
Maybe pieces wet. Okay, okay. No, don't.
Here, one more. Boom.
Okay.
Boom. And then you just go boom. But the way we just did it, you can't move it around. But the way we do it here, we put the glue in and get it just right, and then we spray this, and then, but it's just there now. Feel how good that is.
Okay. Really cut. Okay. Okay, thanks.